Introducing the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, four-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.